I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be prepping some barbecued fried chicken, also called Barbie fried chicken. So here I am removing the skin from the drumsticks that I will be frying. Then I wash with vinegar, lemon juice, and then fresh tap water, and then I pat dry with a towel. Here I am adding all my seasonings, which I can list in the description box, with the exception of using a little sazon because it helps to give the chicken color when it is fried. I also use a little honey mustard. I did not use any salt because the sazon itself already has salt in it. So here is my seasoned chicken, my turkey bacon, and some flour mixture that I made, and I can also add the ingredients in the description box. I lightly coat my chicken in the flour, and I'm using a small amount of oil so the chicken will not be covered in oil. I added some garlic and some pepper to the oil. For your frying purposes, you can use additional oil to cover the chicken. We all know fried foods is unhealthy. However, a little every now and then won't kill us. So I fry on both sides, and while my chicken is frying, I love to use my fork to bore pocket holes in it so heat can additionally go inside, so the chicken will be done properly and there will be no blood in the chicken. When frying chicken, at times it can still be like bloody, so I love to use my fork to steam the meat. And I lightly coated this chicken. I did not use any egg, I only used a flour mixture. Here is what the finished fried chicken looks like. This could also be eaten as is. Once I remove from the oil, I lay on paper towel to help to remove some of the excess oil. This is what the finished fried chicken looks like. This can be eaten as is. Once they are cooled, I will wrap with my turkey bacon, and then I will coat with my barbecue sauce that I made. So here I am wrapping the turkey bacon on the fried chicken, and I use a toothpick to hold this in place. This chicken is like really tasty. It really tastes really good with the bacon. I also have another video on my channel that I did when I just started. It tastes similar to the Jamaican barbecue chicken. Once this is done, I brush my barbecue sauce on the chicken and also on the turkey bacon. And then the next step will be to preheat my oven to 350 degrees and to bake this in the oven for at least 30 minutes. I wrapped bacon on all the drumsticks and I added my barbecue sauce. That portion is done. Next, I will add to my oven to bake. Here is what the finished chicken looks like. Barbecued fried chicken. This is what it looks like. You can serve this with any meal of your choice, be it rice, be it rolls, be it potato salad, whatever you want to serve this with. I just did this on the side. You can take this and make this yours. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you're new, welcome. To my subscribers who have been with me from day one, thank you for your continued support. Please remember to like the video. And remember, home cooked meals are important. They are essential and economical. See you soon.